Hi guys, currently I'm diving into Sozopol, Bulgaria, and I would like to review OrcaTorch D520. Now you're gonna see its performance underwater. That's how you activate the torch, and that's how it hangs on your wrist while you're not using it. That's a wreck called Pioneer, and I'm about to penetrate it where you're gonna see OrcaTorch D520 features. The water is quite murky, as you can see it, but that's very good because you will be able to see its concentrated beam, which is 11 degrees, and the 65 degrees hollow beam, quite obvious here. The maximum burn time is 2 hours thanks to its lithium-ion battery, which is type 18650. And the color temperature of this dive light is about 5000 Kelvin thanks to its USA Cree XML2 light emitting diode. In the next video I'm about to compare a non-branded dive light with OrcaTorch D520, and you will see the difference between the build quality and beam color and so on. So that's the non-branded dive light. It's a plastic body and aluminum head, same screw-in rotary switch, and that's OrcaTorch D520. The first thing you can see is the difference between the beam. The non-branded dive light has a more blue beam, where OrcaTorch gives you a very nice color retention thanks to its USA Cree XML2 diode. In the next video I'm about to do a more detailed review, so if you want to see it, please stay with me. That's how OrcaTorch D520 arrives. Let's go through its specification. It has 1000 lumens maximum beam power, 2 hours maximum burn time, 250 meters beam distance on length, 1 meter impact resistance, and 150 meters depth rating. Now let's open the packaging and see what's inside. It comes with a user manual in 2 languages, English and Chinese, OrcaTorch warranty card, a charger, lanyard, and a spare kit of O-rings. Very useful supplementary kit. That's the dive light itself. You can get an impression about the size, fits in every BCD pocket, and now I'm going to disassemble the light and see how it's designed. That's the head, containing 4mm thick glass lens, a reflector, and a USA Cree XM-L2 diode. Inside the head there is a printed circuit board, providing you a couple of useful features. These are the 3 O-rings sealing the dive light and a very fine thread, and that's where the lanyard goes in. The body is well designed as well. This is the main battery. It's type 18650, 2600 mAh, 3.7 volts lithium ion battery, high quality one. That's the charger. It comes with whatever plug you need. OrcaTorch gives you the option to choose. The charger actually is multi-purpose. You can charge not only battery type 18650 but also 26650. That's the diode indicating whether the battery is charging or not. The input voltage is between 100 and 240 volts, and the output is 4.2 volts, 450 milliamp hours. That's the lanyard, and that's the dive light. Now I'm about to assemble it, and you're gonna see how it's performing on ground. To switch on the light, just fully screw in the body into the head. That's the torch active. Here you can see the beam. There is 11 degrees concentrated beam and 65 degrees hollow beam here, and that's the concentrated beam. On both sides there are flat surfaces helping you to switch on the dive light under the water, especially when you're wearing gloves. That's the lanyard, quite simple design but reliable. There is a rubber hose giving you comfort on your wrist. And now that's how the lanyard goes in the torch. It's adjustable, of course. Now overall that's OrcaTorch D520 and I'm quite pleased with this dive light. OrcaTorch, thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to test and review this excellent dive light. Guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this review.